I took off the stems and we are gonna chop them up for the pasta. You can dice them however you want to. It really doesn't make any difference. I'm just gonna make them into small cubes, just like that. I like to cut them smaller because I like for them to blend in with the pasta. You can even leave them like this if you want, because when they cook down, they're gonna shrink quite a bit, but that's totally up to you. I'm just showing you how I like to do it. I'm just gonna keep going with these and we will move on. Okay, I have my water boiling for the rigatonis. I am gonna salt it. Lots of salt, and I'm going to add the whole bag, and this is 16 ounces. Just give them a little stir so they don't stick to the bottom, and I'm going to set the timer for 13 minutes. I'm going to put 14 just till it comes back to the boil, then we start to count. It should be coming right up because it's pretty hot already. Okay, I added some olive oil and a whole stick of butter. I wasn't recording when I added the olive oil. Sorry about that. A whole stick of butter. We're going to let that melt down slowly. We have our mushrooms ready to go. We have our garlic and our onions ready to go as well. So I'm just going to let this melt. And I will stir the rigatoni just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay, our butter and oil are melted. We're gonna add in our mushrooms. This does take a little bit to cook down. I'm never in a hurry, guys. I just let the food do its thing. And we're not gonna add the onion and the garlic until these have softened and shrank probably in half. All right, I'm just gonna turn down the heat and let them cook down slowly. It's been about 5 minutes since I've been cooking down the mushrooms, and you see how much water they let out. Well, we're gonna let all that evaporate, but they're still cooking down. So that's why I like to use so many mushrooms in this particular dish, because I love the meatiness of the mushrooms. I just think they are a good combination with this pasta. Okay, we're gonna let that keep cooking. Our pasta's almost ready. Okay, all the water has evaporated from the mushrooms. You can tell just by moving it. The only thing that comes to the center is the butter and the oil, and you see how much they cook down. They've cooked down significantly. You can decide if you want less mushrooms. That's up to you guys. You do your thing, you know. And pasta should be ready. I'm gonna go and drain it. Before I do that, I'm gonna add the onions and the garlic, and I'm gonna turn down the heat so that I do not burn it while I am draining the pasta. We're gonna go and strain it. I am going to reserve some pasta water in case this dries up. We have something to add. I haven't added any seasoning. I'm going to add some salt, and of course we'll taste it as we go. And if it needs more, we will add more. We're going to add some fresh ground pepper. And I'm just going to turn this down so that I can go strain the pasta. We do not want to burn this deliciousness here. Okay, I'm going to turn off the pasta. We're just going to let it drain. And there it is, and you get a facial at the same time. Okay guys, I added the pasta. Sorry I wasn't recording again. Boy, I'm doing a horrible job today. And I just mixed it into the mushrooms with the butter, the garlic, and the onions. And look at the deliciousness that came out of that. If you're not a mushroom lover, I know a lot of people don't like mushrooms. Give this a taste. I think you'll like it. Make half a batch or a quarter of a batch. You don't have to make the whole thing. Okay, now that is hot, we're gonna sprinkle in some parsley and some cheese. I like to buy the shredded Parmesan, and we're gonna put quite a bit in here. And if it dries up too much, that's why we reserve the pasta water. We just add a little bit of of the water in there. Now we're gonna taste it for seasoning. Look at that. All right, let's give this a taste. Let's get some with some mushroom and cheese. Look at that, guys. See that pull? That cheese pull? Look at that. Let's give it a taste. That's so good. It does need a little bit of salt. And like I said, it's a lot of pasta. Give it a good mix. Oh, look at all that cheese. Yum. All right, guys, that's it. It's done. Let's go ahead and plate this up. All right, everybody. Here's our plated dish. It smells so good. I can't wait to dig into it. Lots of mushrooms. I hope you like mushrooms. I do. It makes this dish taste real meaty, even though there's no meat in there. Let's give it a taste. So good. So creamy. Okay, everybody, that's going to conclude the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it for you. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. That really helps the algorithm share my videos to a broader audience. The recipe and everything that I use will be linked down in the description box below. Just take a look there. If you have any questions, ask in the comments and I will get back to you there. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.